Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be opening this, and I already started to open it. But yeah, we're going to be opening fully this. I just put this up. So we're going to see what's inside. It's ripped. Fully ripped. That's okay. I got this, which I think that's the play-Doh inside. Kind of looks like it, so I'm just gonna go with it. We have this weird looking crayon looking thing. We have two toppers for something. And I don't know why I have scissors. We have this weird vase cup. Okay, I guess that's it for that side, I guess. I'm not sure. But if you hear crying in the background, that's probably my sister or my brother. So we have this holy thing. Has a bunch of holes. We have this thing. Guess you stamp a star or something, I don't know. We have the main base. We have this that goes in the base. And goes right here, I think. Where's it go? I don't know really where it goes, so I might have to get my parents. But if I do, I can't do the video, so I won't ask for my parents. Oh, I see how it works. You have to push it in. I see. Okay. So now we have the instructions, which I don't think I need because I think I know how to build it. But we have the ice cream cone things, thingamajigs, more thingamajigs, and then some instructions. Oh wait, we have this thingamajig, and then 2 B10 spoons. But do not try eating this. So, we have some card things, and that's empty. So, just do that. But this is warning, caution. I don't know what's my obsession with throwing things. Number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get how they make the sprinklers. And that's just what I don't get. That makes sense. I can do that easily. So, I kind of don't need these because I kind of already know what to do. I think this perfectly fits, so. Crying baby. I hear crying baby. So it seems like you use this. What did the instructions say? I don't know. That's probably because they're called thingamajigs. So like the thingamajigs, I guess. I don't know. What did the instructions say? How do you make? Thingamajig says thingamajig. So you take this, you put this, then you cast this, down this, and then that's how it goes to make the thingamajigs again. So you put the Play-Doh in there, and then you push, and then it should come out down here or something, I don't know. And then it sprinkles. So I kind of don't know what this gray piece is for. It shows nothing about this gray piece, so I'm just gonna, I don't know what to do with it. But I think we should probably open this. So I'm gonna open the one that's already ripped. Yeah. Oh, there's little canisters. They're little. So it's play-Doh. So we have green, orange play-Doh. Do not eat this. This is toxic. This is toxic to eat. It even shows you right here, the toxic sign. So do not eat this. This is made of slime or something. And the other toxic slimy stuff. It's red. So let me guess, I'm gonna get more of that toxic slimy stuff. No, I think I'm just gonna get Play-Doh in this next baggie. How long is this video gonna be? Oh, here's the real canisters. I already have this Play-Doh, but ooh, I don't have this. I definitely don't have this Play-Doh. And I think this last color is pink. Because pink. Yep. I have a garbage can next to me. So, I guess we're just gonna not keep on going. Make the slime. I mean, not slime. Make the ice cream Play-Doh, which... Wait, what? Oh, this thingamajig connects to this thingamajig somehow. But I don't know how the thingamajig fits. How does the thingamajig fit? What? Did I miss something? This thingamajig won't go here, so this thingamajig won't work. Okay. This goes like this somehow. Oh, I see. So, you take this thingamajig and put it right here and then push. Wait, did I do that thingamajig right? Yeah, it doesn't connect. You just do this and then you put it in and then you push it down with this. Okay, I see how the thingamajigs work. Okay, so time to make my first thingamajig. First ice cream. So they have these little squares to attach to this. Because they're squares. If you can see that. It attaches somehow. See? Perfect square on each bottom. There, it fits perfectly. I don't know if that was sideways for you guys, so please don't blame me if that was sideways. Okay, so first of all, take this toxic thingamajig. I don't know why I'm saying thingamajig so much. I think this is like slime. Oh no, you don't want to touch this. That is gross. No, that smells even worse. Okay, so you take that. Take the lid off and you put this. Yeah, I see why you're so toxic. You don't smell very good. I don't know if I would want to eat you. But fans do, right? Yeah, I don't think you guys do. It doesn't taste very good, I don't think. I mean, if it's toxic and it smells terrible, it probably doesn't taste very good. And it's not true, because some toxic things can taste so good that you want to eat them all day. I don't know what. But I'm gonna make sure this lid is on right. Yes. Okay, so now take this thingamajig out. Stop saying thingamajig myself. Yeah, I was going to use this first. You clip it in. Boop. So now I think, what color should I use, guys? Should I use pink, yellow, white, or blue? Comment down below. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yes, there we go. So, I think I'm gonna use pink to be my first one. And which one would you rather? Oh, I love the fresh Play-Doh because it's so soft. See? But get some out. Okay, so now I'll put it in here. Okay, usually plant the seed, even though it's not really a seed, but easily plant it in there. And then you take this, doing this side, and then you take this and push it down. This is super hard. Oh, it has to be up more. 1 second. Clip it into place. I don't know how to clip it into place. Ah. Okay. Seriously. So what you do is you put it in, and you clip it into place. There, and it's clipped into place. I'm just gonna hold it because it's choosing to not stay. It disobeyed me. It's not listening very well. Ugh. That is a lot on my soul. This is taking. Okay, this is as far as it can go. And lift this thing up. And then pull this out. Oh, I see why they made it like a crayon-like. So it takes all the excess out. Then you're just gonna push this down one last time. There we go. Okay, I think that looks pretty nice. Bring this up. So, just don't mind my parents. They're talking in the background. So, I guess I got my first ice cream. Even though it disobeyed me. I guess it just doesn't like following the rules. Just gonna try it. It doesn't clip in, so it got all squiggly and stuff, but oh, don't fall out. Okay, there. And I think I'm gonna put some of this on it. You know what? I think I'll do that on the like cone. Now I'll put it on this. I'm probably done with this sample. And this stuff is okay to touch, but it's not okay to eat. So I put a little bit of that red bloody stuff on here. And now it's time for the sprinkles. So I'm not really sure how it works, but we put this. And I think my best bet is just doing this, but it says to put this around it, so like that, I think. No, this won't come back. Okay, so it's time to pick a color. So blue, white, yellow, orange, and green. I didn't give those as your choices to orange and green because they're way too tiny canisters, but they work now. Or pink. Comment down below which one you'll pick. So I think I'm gonna personally go with my favorite, blue, because pink and blue look really nice together to me. So yeah. And if you heard just a ding while I'm making this video, that's because somebody just texted me. So, and I'm actually using my phone to do this because I don't have a recording camera and we only have a phone and iPad. So yeah, so I'm gonna take some Play-Doh and I'm just gonna roll it up. Then put it in. I mean, it comes right out. I don't know what you're supposed to do. Because it comes right out. Am I doing this backwards? Please don't tell me I'm doing this backwards. Am I? I think I am. Because this would just push it more farther in. So there must be some type of lid they put. I don't know, that's what the instructions said. Oh, okay. So, these two weird things go together. And then it actually goes in here. You put this on top and then push this and then it comes out of this. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snap this star in place. Because this is supposed to get snapped in place. Snapped it in place. Make sure it's not movable. Yes, it is. So, there. It can't move. So I'm gonna. How do you put the Play-Doh? Yeah, that's my confusing part. You put the Play-Doh here, I think. And then you're like, no, that doesn't work. What makes no sense? What makes no sense is that the, okay, maybe. Oh, okay, you put it like this, and you push this down. Oh, okay, so you push this down, and you don't let it crumple. It's actually supposed to make sprinkles, but for me, it's not doing anything. It's just making some hideous stuff that makes a mess. So, the sprinkle thing is a fail because it doesn't make any sense and it's actually not working for me. But maybe I just am using it wrong. I have no clue. But it's making no sense and it is not listening to me, so I do not know how to use it. But at least I made a couple of sprinkles. I mean, you can't blame it for making a couple of sprinkles. It's like I have to not complain at it too much, but just it's rude. The sprinkle maker. Not nice sprinkle maker. I took more time to figure that out than I did with anything else. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. Bye!